Welcome to this episode of Easy Physics, where we'll be talking about a concept that sounds like it belongs in a sci-fi movie, the piezoelectric effect. Don't worry, we'll explain it in simple terms that even your grandma will understand. So, imagine you're at a rock concert. The music is so loud that you can feel the vibrations in your chest. And if you're close to the stage, you might even feel the floor shaking under your feet. That's kind of like what happens with the piezoelectric effect, but on a much smaller scale. Piezoelectric materials, like quartz and certain types of ceramics, have a special property where they can generate an electric charge when they're put under mechanical stress. That means if you squeeze or bend them, they'll produce electricity. It's like magic, but it's actually science. Now let's talk about how this works in real life. Have you ever used a lighter to start a fire? Of course you have. You're not a caveman. But have you ever wondered how it works? Well, inside the lighter, there's a little crystal that's made of piezoelectric material. When you press the button, you're actually putting pressure on that crystal, which generates a spark and ignites the gas. Another example of the piezoelectric effect is in ultrasound machines. When a doctor wants to take a closer look at your insides, they use an ultrasound machine to send sound waves through your body. Those sound waves bounce off your organs and other tissues, and then they're picked up by a sensor. But how does the machine generate those sound waves in the first place? You guessed it, piezoelectric crystals. When an electric current is applied to those crystals, they vibrate and produce sound waves. So, there you have it, the piezoelectric effect in a nutshell. It's a really cool phenomenon that's used in all sorts of everyday devices, from lighters to musical greeting cards. And now, the next time you go to a concert and feel the floor shaking under your feet, you can impress your friends by telling them about the piezoelectric effect. Just don't blame us if they think you're a nerd.